AI can be your or my new marketing team. I don't need marketing companies, especially not the Wiser Optimizer and his great team that's sitting right over there. But from a commercial sense, Google Ads and Facebook ads, like, they are strongly promoting, like, hey, our AI can do it for you. You've got content creation, social media is telling you they're using AI. You've got the paid channels saying, hey, we'll do it. And we've tested it. AI strengths. So just to recap, it quickly processes vast amounts of data to identify patterns. This is amazing. Humans can do this, but by the time we would get to the point where we come to a conclusion, like, so much time has passed. But it can only do the legwork where it's, assuming certain things. It can't use critical thinking, problem solving, any type of demographic. But some of the features, like if you monitor them, can be okay. But from start to finish, if you don't have your own plan, that's why you need someone to monitor, to set up what the goals are. Do you want conversions, purchases, etc.? Reality, AI is a tool, amazing, really fun tool, not a replacement. So I'm gonna have to say, myth one's debunked.